Look at these numbers, my friends. How do we read it? To make it easier for us to read, we will determine each one's number family. This is the category for ones. This is the tens category. And this category is new. Say it with me. What is it called? The hundreds category. Great job! Now, let us begin reading from the hundreds category. Then the tens category. Then the ones category. So the number is read as 435. Come on, say it with me. 435. Good work! And this is how it is written in words. Let us read more numbers. Now, we need to read this number. How can we do that? Good job! Let us make it easier. We will determine their number families. This is the ones category. This is the tens category. And this is our new category. Say it with me. The hundreds category. Great! Now, let us begin reading from the hundreds category, then the tens category, and then the ones. So the number is 546. Say it with me. 546. Good job! And this is how it is written in words. 546. Let us read more numbers. Let us read this number together. Good idea! Let us make it easier. We will determine the number families. This is the ones category. And this is the tens category. And this is the new category. Say it with me. The hundreds category. Great! Now, let's begin reading from the hundreds category, then the tens category, then the ones. So, the number is 999. Say it with me. 999. Great job! And this is how it is written in words. 999. Look, this is 1 cube. And this column is made of 10 cubes. But this square is made of 100 cubes. Now, we want to express a number using these cubes. Let us read the number 687. Great! The number is made of 3 numbers, which means it has 3 categories: ones, tens, and hundreds. Let us put in each category the number of cubes that represent it. In the ones category is the number 7. So let us put 7 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in the tens is the number 8. Let us make 80. What should we use to represent it? Great! We will use 8 columns because each column has 10 cubes, which is 80 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good work! Now, let us represent the hundreds. It has the number 6, which means 600. We will use 6 squares because each square has 100 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We represented the number using cubes. 687. Here, we will use the counter to represent the number 328. As you can see, the counter has 3 pillars, and they represent the ones, tens, and hundreds. We want to place these rings on the counter to represent the number 328. The red ring will represent 1 1. The blue ring represents 10 ones, and the yellow ring represents 1 100. In the ones category, there is an 8. Great, so we will place 8 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the tens, there is a 2. We will put 2 rings. 1, 2. Great! Now, let us represent the hundreds category. It has the number 3. So, we will put 3 rings. 1, 2, 3. Now we have represented the number. $856. We want to break up this number into categories by placing each number in its category before being added together. Now, let us begin with the number 6. Which number category does it fall into? Great, the ones. Now, let's move on to the 5. What is its number category? Good job, the tens. And the 5 in the tens category equals 50, correct. Now, let's move to the number 8. What is its number category? Hundreds, great work. How much does an 8 in the hundreds category equal? 800. Great! This is the breaking down method for the number 856. Let us try another number. Now, my friends, we need to do the opposite. We are given the broken down numbers and need to write the sum. Here we have 8 plus 10 plus 700. Now we will put each number into its correct place. So the 8 is in the ones place, so we will put the 8 here. And the 10 is in the tens place, so we will put the 1 here. And the 700 is in the hundreds place, so we will write 7 here. So the number is 718. Great work! And by this, my dear students, we have learned about the number 100 and reading and writing numbers up to 999.